Sights and sounds, we found a
When people they say
heaven.
they cure belle, they should wash and put that for water, cure belle. Someday I won't know what that is. That is a brown. Then they take a soup. Okay, that is what you call the factorial odorata.
Sir,
Yes.
my name is Alfred Irobi Akhidime.
Okay.
I am from the Oral Global Television Network,
Thank you.
as you can brightly see.
Okay.
And this is Ebiobe community.
It's all right.
Precisely, we are in Okpafigbo quarter.
Okay.
My regards.
Thank you.
May I know your name, sir?
My name is Samuel Shavode Abolagba.
Samuel Ishabode Abolagba. What are we here doing presently, sir?
Okay. We are enlightening ourselves about the potent of the power in our herbs. How is helping us?
Good job.
How is helping us?
Herbs.
Yes, herbs. How is helping us? Phytophysician.
Huh?
Phytophysician. Somebody who use leaf to cure, who use seed to cure, who use roots to cure.
Apparently, we can say you are a herbal doctor.
Yes, I take care of herbs.
I like that.
And also, I learn paramedicine.
Good talk. This thing you are trying to teach us,
yes,
or lecture us about,
yes,
of what importance, of what help will it be unto us all?
Very good. It is very, very important because it has no side effect.
Okay.
That is number one.
Yeah.
And number two, it is easy to prepare.
Okay.
And as it is, there's no fake in it. As you have fake drug, fake other thing,
okay,
you don't have. There is no fake, and it is point specific. That it goes directly to what you want to cure. You can even be very lucky that you cure other things because it goes with many other things that it cures.
Good talk. Sir, I really appreciate this. You are most welcome. Sir, I can see some herbal things.
I started proper practicing 1990. Yes, why I did it like that is that the first person I cured was the person who was having this over, that is
yes,
spleen.
The spleen
was having
okay.
spleen.
Okay.
So then later on I began to cure other
Okay, what do you call spleen in oral language, sir?
spleen, over they call it.
Over, naturally aurora.
But from other places they have their name. Like you lay her.
You call it spleen.
But here it's over. Then Ozala call it Ude.
Okay, sir. Can you show a sample of the stuff you have?
Okay, I will. This one here is called Osa Potty. That is to say,
Osa Potty.
You mix it with honey, all manner of
Osa Potty.
Whether it's a hepatic ulcer, duodenal ulcer, or gastric ulcer.
Okay.
You cure all of them.
Then you say we should mix it with what?
You mix it with honey, natural honey.
Natural honey.
Then it will help.
Honey, ni ba chewura.
Okay, who I call it Iyon. But we call it Iyon.
My regards. Thank you very much. Yeah.
And arthritis.
Yes.
So if you even go to you see them, kidney stone.
Can you please step forward there and begin to point them one by one?
Yes. See them there. Kidney failure.
Yeah.
Kidney stones.
Yeah.
Liver cirrhosis.
Yeah.
Gallbladder bladder stones.
Yeah.
Hypertension.
Yeah.
Diabetes.
Yes.
Stroke.
Yes.
Infertility.
Yeah.
Prostate health.
Yes.
Ovarian cyst.
Yes.
Uterine fibroids.
Yes.
Hernia.
Yeah.
Appendicitis.
Yes.
Then guys, spleen enlargement. We also have it there.
Okay.
Heart enlargement. Arthritis. Brain disorder, hepatitis, cancers,
okay,
and all others.
Oh my. Uru re me gbegbe no gese obe nini. Ami ono da re pa won bo gbegbe no homo be o ni vai dage ni vai yin. Wa se lo mai o. Ere no se bo ade ba mai. Thank you very much.
Vasel Elumai, this is what we saw in Ora this weekend. We have been talking about herbs and we found a man that knows about it. We'll be going back to interview him more on the herbs so that we can know how we can help ourselves at home. We do not personally endorse his medicine, but these are little things that our parents, pass from generation to generation that helped us as Africans. So if you see anything there that you think might help you, you can contact the man. His name is there. Vasel Elumai.